Hello everybody, I am Lydia from A&E Medical Supplies. Today we're going to take a look at our hot herbal mod for hot mod therapy. It comes with a microwavable bucket, a spoon, and a piece of rock-hard mud. To activate the herbal mud, we need to remove the lid and place it in a microwave. Depending on your microwave, it needs different time to completely melt the mud. You can try it 1 minute at a time. Take it out, stir, and then do another minute. Wow, this gives such a strong aroma. Smells so good if you like the herbal smell. In my case, I microwaved it for 2 minutes. Took it out, and as you can see, there are still lumps which are not fully melted. Stir it and do another 10 to 20 seconds. When it's fully melted, the temperature might be a little too high. Put it aside and start to prep the skin where you wish to apply the mud. Clean the area and use a hot towel to heat compress the area for 2 to 3 minutes to make sure the skin is used to hotter temperature. Test the mud to make sure the temperature is bearable. Spread it on the area. Layer it so the thickness of the mud should be 1 to 2 centimeters. If you do it too thin, the heat will not last long enough and the cooling process will not have the compression effect that the thicker mud can give. And it's not going to be effective. Be cautious not to cause burns. After the whole area is covered, wrap it with a saran wrap. After 40 to 50 minutes, or when the mud is completely cool, take the wrap off. The mud is very easy to peel off right now. If you see some redness or dark purple spots, don't be alarmed. It is normal and will go away shortly. A box of the mud is 1 kilogram, and it can cover the entire bag. If you want to use it in a smaller area, the rest of the mud can be reactivated later and used as normal. Hot mud therapy is a kind of thermotherapy. It has many benefits. Hot mud therapy feels super good, especially in a cold day. It promotes blood circulation and speed up the healing process. It can ease pain and reduce inflammation. When it cools, and the physical change can have a compression effect and can help with edema. The herb and oil in the mud can also soften the skin. You have to try it for yourself. Go to www.acubest.com to order, or you can give us a call at 626-333-6686. That's 626-333-6686. Thank you.